Hi, my name is Sam, and this is my 5-minute data jam. One of my favorite things to do when the fog eats our beautiful city of San Francisco is to make jam or preserves. While I enjoy it as a tasty treat, there was a time in our history where preserving food, much like preserving data, was not as easy as it is today. Prior to the mass production of domestic refrigerators, families combined acid, heat, and raw ingredients in a vacuum-sealed jar that is akin to a database, or a collection of seemingly related data points collected together for consumption either as an end product or as part of a larger system. Families would make entire pantries of prepared foods to survive comfortably over the winter. And this process of preparing and loading data or jam into jars can be referred to as ETL, or extraction, transformation, and loading. This pantry, or a collection of prepared items, would be akin to what we call a data mart. And data marts often serve key departments by housing transformed, manicured data that the department would then use for end consumption. An example of this would be a hospital IT team that's joining prescription and state data into a series of tables that their pharmacists can then query when they're in front of their clients. Now, a data warehouse, similar to a data mart, is a repository with expected data that exists to serve a line of business or a functional part of the organization. Now, depending on your approach, this data may or may not be prepared. It may come in its raw form. As technology has improved, similar to the advent of refrigeration, the need to prepare and preserve all of the raw ingredients before consumption has diminished. Data warehousing is experiencing a similar trend due in part to the reduced cost in storage and just the sheer amount of data that organizations want to consume. Agile organizations are connecting into the raw data of these different disparate tools and then doing the data prep prior to the visualization process in a process that we call ELT, which is extraction, loading, and transformation. This is kind of like storing your food in a fridge to make a meal on Friday versus canning all of your food to make a meal in 3 months. Tools like Panoply allow you to speed up that process even more by prepping and optimizing your data so your recipe is half done by the time you decide that you want to eat. Databases, data marts, data warehouses, they all have functional uses within the organization. And our goal at Panoply is to get you to data insights as quickly and meaningfully as possible. This is Sam, and this is my 5-minute data jam.